out of hand. Whatever you do, Sven, don't fall in the pool.
Buddy. But I think you can hear the snow melting out of the trees already.
Yeah.
So
It's like it's raining now too.
I think it is raining now as well. But you can already see. Oh, you okay, Svenny? Don't get stuck, buddy. It's very wet. Oh, Svenny, don't go wandering over there, buddy. Svenny, get over this way. Yeah, this cedar is taller than the gazebo. You wouldn't know it right now from the snow on it. The dogs are enjoying this snow right now. Well, besides Svenny having trouble getting anywhere. But, yeah. It's pretty crazy. It's October 12th now. The snow started on the 10th, I believe. Maybe late on the 9th, but 10th and the 11th it snowed like mad here in Winnipeg. Just west of us it's still going. We're starting to get rain now. But wanted to enjoy the hot tub while we could, and yeah.
Because we can.
And because we can, yes. Yeah, we're one of the lucky ones that have not lost power here in Manitoba. There's lots of, it's record outages, Manitoba Hydro has said, so it's we are lucky. So we're gonna
even within the city.
Yeah.
There are people who've been out for like a day and a half now. So
yeah, it's pretty wild, and it's widespread enough that we can't even give estimates on how long it's going to take to get anybody back. It's just that bad. So we have this opportunity. We're going to take advantage of it because it's nice.
Freaky.
It's freaky. It's nice. It's just above freezing actually, because it's raining a little bit, not snowing, and that's why the pool isn't freezing. Plus it's got all the chemicals in it and stuff like that, the impurities. It drops its freezing temperature down a little bit as well. Plus it's moving, so it's not going to freeze yet. We got the pump going. It's not heating, but the pump's going on it, and it's not going to freeze. But this snow will leave us, and
the snow had better leave us.
Yeah. We're going to get above freezing for a fair bit this week. So it should all go away and we can get the pool properly closed. So yeah, that's pretty entertaining, but you can see the way the snow is built up on the lamps that the wind was up there too. The snow was blowing as it was building up, and it's on all the lamps the same direction. And yeah, it's pretty wild. But this is gorgeous right now, and we're not going to get sun for a week, I think, based on the forecast, but it's pretty out here right now. So if we're going to get crazy weather, let's try and enjoy it.
Oh, the snowballs falling out of that tree are hilarious.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see when there's a snow overhang on the stairs of the pool. I don't know, you probably can't see it from here. But when that, I want to kind of see it when that falls in. But it's almost too bad the pool's not heating, because that would be awesome in there. That'd be like those winter pools, the thermal pools you see from Iceland and stuff like
the
that.
Springs and stuff.
Yeah, that would be cool. But yeah, we're not made of money, so.
Yeah, just the fact that tree is still full on green.
Yeah, it's wild.
It hasn't even started changing color yet.
No, not really, which is funny. You can tell the pool makes a bit of a microclimate for that tree because its twin sister tree is right there and it's yellow. And it hasn't grown as much. Those trees were planted by the neighbors at the same time. So yeah, that tree is crazy. Lots of snow.
This is literally a full winter's worth of snow.
Yeah. Well, considering that it was melting as it was falling as well, just the fact that we've got this kind of a buildup is crazy.
Like Tuesday, we were wandering around in the backyard here. We moved Fred on Tuesday,
Yeah.
and it's Saturday morning.
Yeah, it was probably about 70 degrees Fahrenheit out here, like 20 degrees Celsius.
It was like 22, I think. Even.
Yeah, even warmer. So it was warm on Tuesday. I ran outside on Sunday, and it was like, yeah, it was nowhere near freezing. It was quite warm. Yeah, so this one was out of nowhere. Well, it was out of Colorado. It was Colorado low. We get Colorado lows, or lows that originate in Colorado and come this direction. We always get a lot of moisture, and in the winter it usually means lots of thick, heavy snow, and that is what we got. And we're lucky here in Winnipeg. We got 2 days, but there's parts of the province here that are working on 3 days. They're talking well over 2 feet of snow in some of those places. So yeah, we are
again like just outside of the first week of October.
Yeah. Yeah, as we're filming.
We don't have White Thanksgiving.
No, exactly. That's just, I always used to say Thanksgiving was the day I put up Christmas lights, because it was probably the last decently warm weekend. Yeah.
The last couple of years we've actually swam.
Yes.
On Thanksgiving.
That's true, eh?
I have a number of my pools that habitually, that is tradition.
Yeah.
That people swim on Thanksgiving.
So, yeah.
No, not so much.
Not this year. Yeah, so it's pretty wild. And yeah, traditionally we've always kind of said like around Halloween is when we get our first snow. And it doesn't necessarily even stick, but it has the possibility of sticking around then. But guy in the window. I don't know if the camera will catch that, but yeah, so pretty wild. Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Hello, puppy.
Yeah, and with this, part of the reason why there's so many power line issues is all that wet snow is sticking to the trees, but the wind was really strong. Jeez, doggy. Yeah. Yeah, so the wind was really strong. And there were some areas in the province where they were actually forecasting 120 kilometer an hour winds, which is like 70 miles an hour, 75 miles an hour, something like that. So with all this wet snow in the trees, there's going to be a lot of trees fall. And like, there's a lot of vegetation cleanup done around power lines and things like that to prevent trees from falling on them, but when they bend in half, you can't really plan for that. So yeah, so that's pretty wild.
The snow was just so sticky,
and
with still, I mean, leaves in the trees. That's
like
what they're gonna stick with.
Yeah, it's just perfect snowball snow.
Yeah,
because it just forms instantly, just so you hold it, and it's just melting in your hand. You can see. My hand hasn't been in the hot tub water to be hot, but it's just, it's just squeeze the moisture out of the damn stuff. But pretty crazy. Oh, some dog barked in the neighborhood. Sounds like a big chunk just fell off. So yeah, all things considered, it's pretty, but it can go away. Oh, hey, Arrow.